Hello everyone, welcome to our first video of tips and tricks to improve your public speaking. Today we're gonna talk about hands. What to do with your hands when you're speaking. It's quite easy actually. When we are talking to someone, we tend to do some gestures with our hands and they are very natural. But when you got on stage, usually they don't feel that natural. We don't know what to put our hands, if we should be gesticulating, if we should, hide them or grab something. So let me tell you this trick I learned a few years ago in an acting class. So when you're training for your presentation, try this. You just put your arms down, your hands down, your arms parallel to the body. Okay, I know you can see them in the camera, but just down. Just straight posture and start talking. Don't worry about your hands. They are down. They are okay. Start talking and you'll see that in a few minutes, if not seconds, they are start moving naturally. Why? Because you are not worried about them. You are relaxed. Everything will be better. Good luck.